Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Our lesson for today is how to say the progressive form of the Japanese verb using te-iru. In English, if we want to say that we are doing something right now at the moment, we say the verb plus the ing. Stand, standing. Brushing, brush and ing, brushing. Call plus ing, calling. Making, doing. So these are the verbs, the progressive tense that we use to say when we are doing it or we are doing those right now at this very moment. In Japanese, we use the te form of the verb plus iru to signify the action in progress or the action happening right now. For instance, we have tatteru, standing, migaiteru, brushing, migaiteru, denwa shite iru, denwa shiteiru, tsukutteiru, tsukutteiru, making, shiteiru, shiteiru, doing, shiteiru. Okay, now to form the negative form of the iru, we have inai, tatte inai, migaite inai, not brushing, denwa shite inai, not calling, tsukutte inai, not making, shite inai, not doing. Now, imas is the polite form of iru. Okay, it's the polite form. So we just remove iru. We just change iru into imas. Tateimasu, migaiteimasu, denwa shiteimasu, tsukutteimasu, shiteimasu. Now its negative form is imasen. So we just change imas to imasen. Tateimasen, migaiteimasen, denwa shiteimasen, tsukutteimasen, shiteimasen. So not present progressive. Not doing, not brushing, not calling, not making, not doing. Now this is the polite form and the casual form of the te-iru tense. Tabeteimasu, tabeteimasen. Tabeteimashita, tabeteimasen deshita. For the casual, tabeteiru, tabeteinai. Tabeteitta, tabeteinakatta. Sora-san wa ima benkyou shiteiru. Sora-san wa ima benkyou shiteiru. Sora is studying right now. Kanojo wa watashi wo yondeimasu. Kanojo wa watashi wo yondeimasu. She is calling me. Take note, when you see Japanese compound verbs like this, benkyou suru, denwa suru, shitsumon suru, ryori suru, etc., just conjugate suru to shitteru or shitteimasu. Takeshi-san wa eigo no hon wo yondeimasu. Takeshi-san wa eigo no hon wo yondeimasu. Takeshi is reading a book in English. Ima, nani o shiteimasu ka? What are you doing right now? Nani mo shiteimasen. Nani mo shiteimasen. So it's a negative answer. Nani mo shiteimasen. I'm not doing anything. Watashi tachi wa anata no ie no mae ni tatteiru. Watashi tachi wa anata no ie no mae ni tatteiru. You are standing in front of your house. 立っている。歯を磨いている。歯を磨いている。Are you brushing your teeth? Now, the answer is 磨いていない。磨いていない。I'm not brushing my teeth. Or I'm not brushing. 磨いていない。サラダを作っている。サラダを作っている。I am making a salad. サラダを作っている。Now, te-iru or te-imas is also used to describe what a person does by occupation or by habit. For example, we have 私は英語を教えています。私は英語を教えています。I am teaching English. Now, this sentence has two meanings. It can mean I am actually teaching English right now at this present moment, as in right now, or I am an English teacher and I teach because it is my profession or occupation. 彼は病院で働いています。彼は病院で働いています。He is working at a hospital. Again, this can mean two things. He is actually working at the hospital right now at this present moment, or he works at the hospital by occupation. 彼は病院で働いています。日本語を勉強しています。日本語を勉強しています。I am studying Japanese. Again, two meanings. I'm actually studying Japanese right now when you ask me, or I study Japanese habitually, every day, or regularly. 本を読んでいます。本を読んでいます。I read books. 本を読んでいます。Again, it can mean that I am actually reading books right now. Or it can mean I read books habitually, every day, or regularly. いつも毎週運動している。いつも毎週運動している。I'm always exercising every week. Or I always exercise every week. Based on the context of the sentence, this is regular or by habit. Or I can say 運動している。運動している。I'm exercising as in right now. 運動している。Okay, exercise. We're going to know what is Sora doing right now at the moment. So we ask, Mary-san は今何をしていますか? Mary さんは今何をしていますか? What is Mary doing right now? So right now she is watching TV. テレビを見ています。テレビを見ています。She is watching TV. Okay, you can pause the video and try to formulate sentences using the te-iru or te-imasu form for Sora. What is Sora doing in each of these pictures? Okay, so the answers are 1. She is reading a book. 本を読んでいます。本を読んでいます。She is reading a book. 本を読んでいます。She is swimming. 泳いでいます。泳いでいます。She is taking a picture. 写真を撮っています。写真を撮っています。She is taking a picture. She is playing a game. ゲームを知っています。ゲームを知っています。 She is waiting for a person. So we say, 彼を待っています。彼を待っています。She is waiting for him. 彼を待っています。She is listening to music. So, 音楽を聴いています。音楽を聴いています。She is singing a song. So, 歌を歌っています。歌を歌っています。She is singing a song. She is drinking a coffee. So, coffee is コーヒーを飲んでいます。コーヒーを飲んでいます。She is drinking coffee. And lastly, she is doing a report. So we say, レポートを書いています。She is writing her report. レポートを書いています。